The first time that I came to this building was 14 years ago to meet with the representatives of the Grand Ronde tribe. The Grand Ronde tribe has never ceased to exist. And the Grand Ronde tribe has never ceased to have its sovereignty. The federal government chose on its own to sever the government-to-government relationship with the Grand Rondes in the 1950s and was convinced by the tribe and its representatives to restore that relationship in 1983. But when I came to this building in 1979, I met what have become to me a number of heroes. Heroes because these are people of heart and of commitment and of incredible endurance. People who kept the fire and the belief and the reality of Grand Ronde culture and sovereignty alive. When we met in the cafeteria of this building, they didn't ask me if they could be a tribe. They asked me, could we help them get their relationship with the federal government restored, because those people have never forgotten that they are a tribe. They never for a minute thought that they weren't Indian people or that they weren't a part of the Grand Ronde culture. They all knew that. And each of those people knew that in their own way. And their acts of courage were incredible to see. I remember that the chairman at the time, Marvin Kimsey, went to Washington, D.C. and walked down the halls of Congress and testified in front of committees. That's not something he was comfortable with. It's not something he wanted to do. It was something that took for him an act of courage, and he is in that way a hero to me to watch him do that. To watch him overcome his own discomfort, his own fear of doing those things, and stand up and do it because he knew it was necessary and he knew it was right. And I watched Merle Holmes walk beside him and do those very same things. And I watched people like Eula Petit provide the dignity and the courage and the encouragement necessary to support people in what they needed to do to accomplish these things. And Margaret Provost and Dean Mercier and the others who came to those meetings, Jackie Colton, Jackie Provost. These were the people who came on those early days, who spent their own money on their gasoline, who made their own bake sales and their own food to make the meetings happen. These are the people that kept that fire of the Grand Ronde people burning as a tribe and as a culture, so that then others like myself, Congressman Aucoin, Sandy Schmidt, Elizabeth Furst, could help them. We didn't do it. We helped them do it. They're the ones who did it. And they are, to me, in that act and in that commitment and in that consistency, my heroes. Thank you very much.